Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video, just showing these IST Momoreo peel and stick backsplash. So this could be used in like a bathroom or kitchen. Much easier application than say tiles or something like that. So pretty much you can just use like a straight edge, or if you have some good scissors, line these out and cut them. Peel off the back, make sure you have a nice flat surface. So these don't work on like brick and things like that, like heavily textured things. You're probably not even supposed to put it on a wall like this, but in my kitchen I put some up that where it's a little bit textured like that, and technically you're not supposed to. It's supposed to be more of a smoother surface, but they've been holding up for a long time. I was actually really impressed. Probably about 10 years now, and really impressed with how they look. So these are 12 by 12. So sometimes the other ones I think that I got were like 10 by 10. So it has a little outer layer here that you can just peel off, and this beautiful, like kind of a 3D. It's got some texturing or some pop to it, so it sticks out a little bit. And these come in different colors as well. So they're very easy to clean. Once you get these lined up, so you would cut, if you have one edge there in the corner, you start there, cut that so it's all straight, and then your next one is just going to overlap here on that. And then they just go on really nice and smooth. Yeah, if these hold up anything like the ones I have, I'm very impressed with it. I thought I was going to put them on there and then a while they wouldn't last, but we use it as our backsplash. Stuff gets splattered on there. Like, it's easy to wipe up and clean. We have some behind our stove, so it appears to be most like heat resistance. We haven't noticed any like fading or anything like that. So quite durable, easy to install, and they last a long time. And they come in different colors as well. So just really a nice and easy way to like upgrade your kitchen, or perhaps like a bathroom wall or something like that behind that, just to give a nice pop to the back and actually add some protection to your wall as well. So anyways, my friends, very beautiful colors here. Now you got the just a little close-up of this if I can. So, and 12 by 12, so pretty easy to install. A lot of backsplashes aren't that big. You can just stick them on there and call it good. Make sure that your back wall is cleaned off really well first. But yeah, like I said, I've had mine for about 10 years and they're holding up really well. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. So real quick though, this back part right here, this just peels off, and I'm just going to do a little bit so we can see the it's like a metal type foil on the back here, I think. So probably the trickiest part of these is just getting that back part to peel off. Can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Me, of course, when I need my fingernails, I don't have them. You guys know how that goes, right? So there's that. Okay, I'm just going to peel off a little bit here to show you guys. All right, so this one has a plastic. It's a white edge. The one I installed before had like a metal one. Same thing though, super sticky. And once you just separate that from that, what I used was like a razor blade when I was doing mine. You can just slip it in between there, and then once you start it peeling, then you can just put it on there. Even if you mess up a little bit and say you're like, oh, accidentally stuck a little bit, you can still peel it off the wall, and it's going to like kind of maintain that stickiness, and so you're able to kind of adjust it a little bit. Takes a little bit of getting used to, like putting it on there, but much easier, I would say, than tiling and doing that. Stuff is really forgiving, and once you put it on there, it's going to stay and last a long time. Okay, I think that pretty much covers it, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.